friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. It's so fresh. Today I will talk about Samsung Galaxy Book3 Ultra. So friends, Samsung was set to introduce its latest notebook PC series, the Galaxy Book3, at the Galaxy Unpacked 2023 event on February 1st, 2023. And friends, the latest offering from the South Korean tech giant will come with Windows 11 and will be available for global sales from 17 February. And friend, this series consists of three models: Galaxy Book3 Ultra, Galaxy Book3 Pro 360 and Galaxy Book3 Pro. So friend, the Galaxy Book3 Ultra is a 16-inch high-performance notebook PC with a thin and lightweight design. It features 13th generation Intel Core i9 or i7 and Galaxy and GeForce RTX 4070 laptop GPU or GeForce RTX 4050 laptop GPU for GPU, Dynamic AMOLED 2x display with a resolution of 2880 x 1800 dots and variable refresh rate of 48 to 120 Hz and maximum of 32 GB LPDDR5 memory and 1 TB PCIe SSD storage. And friend, the other model, Galaxy Book3 Pro 360, is a 2-in-1 style 16-inch notebook PC that supports pen input and comes with the S Pen stylus, and it has a Dynamic AMOLED 2x display with a resolution of 2880 x 1800 dots and variable refresh rate of 48 to 120 Hz, and it is equipped with 13th generation Intel Core i7 or i5, Intel Iris Xe graphics, 32 GB LPDDR5 memory and 1 TB PCIe SSD storage, and a 5G model is also available. And friend, a Galaxy Book3 Pro comes with both 16-inch and 14-inch models and features a Dynamic AMOLED 2x display with a resolution of 2880 x 1800 dots and a variable refresh rate of 48 to 120 Hz. And friend, it is powered by 13th generation Intel Core i7 or i5, Intel Iris Xe graphics, and has a maximum of 32 GB LPDDR5 memory and 1 TB PCIe SSD storage. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.